This conference will now be recorded.
Hey everybody, it's Tammy here. Just wanted to send a quick video out to let you know, number one, that I am a real person, although some days I feel more real than others. And I wanted to tell you about what I'm actually doing with these emails and everything else and why I'm so focused on side income in 2024. So let me see, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Let's see, which one do I want? Sorry about that. I'm just not used to doing the share screen on this particular platform, so I'm just kind of looking around. Let's see. Oh, okay. All right. So if you're looking on your screen, you're seeing this Tammy J thinks you're a VIP, and we agree. Now that is, I've been sending out a link to you, and you're going to see the link below this video or on the email that this video came to you in. And make sure that you at least take a look at it. By clicking on this video, you're not committing to anything. You're not telling me that you're into the affiliate marketing space. You're not giving me, a lot of information. None of that stuff. It's just a chance for you to check this out. And also below this video, you're going to see a phone number, and you're going to see another link to the actual Good Guides website, and that's going to show you what this is all about. And there's a link to a video of an interview that I did with the Good Guides CEO where he tells you more about what this service is, what it isn't, and how you can leverage it. So you can see that this is a legitimate service. For those of you who have told me you want something extra to add to your existing business, something extra you can offer, especially if you're a realtor or a real estate investor, a garage owner, a car salesman, whatever you do, you could leverage this either as a secondary source of income or as something that you could use to attract prospects, right? So that's the way I saw it. And I think if you think about it and you're a little creative, you'll see it that way too. Again, you're not required to own the service, although it is a good service. And if you qualify and if the price seems right to you, you should definitely do it. So I put my phone number down there, the linked phone number, and you can call it. And by calling that number, what you can walk yourself through a quote. This is just like getting an insurance quote. They're not going to try to high pressure you. They're not going to try to do anything to make you buy this. You'll just be able to see how this compares to other programs that you know about and how it works, right? And you'll be able to get to see their customer service in action. So I encourage you, if you're even just the slightest bit sorry, I've had this cold forever. If you're even the slightest bit interested in a good solid affiliate program to help augment your income or to help you with marketing, then you might want to call them and see how it goes. Okay, so that I put all the information below. Watch the video, see what you think. And I've been on this secondary income kind of kick lately. And the reason is I think that you're going to see a lot of bargains coming up in the world for things that you may want or you may need. For example, houses. I think you're going to start to see the median price of houses has already gone down. There's going to be more. So I included in this email the links to Travis, who is the economic ninja or the real estate ninja, as some of you might know him. We have partnered together to give you a great deal on his real estate course, which is super comprehensive, and it's stuff that some of the stuff you've never heard before. This is from an actual investor who has made hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, you know, investing in real estate the right way. Okay. So if you're into real estate and you're thinking that the market is going to implode eventually and you want to take advantage of that, I would do this course. But at least find out about it and hear what the ninja has to say. I've included in this email or on this video notes, and the notes in the bottom, all the information for how you access that at 75% off. So instead of paying $1,200, you're going to pay $300 for this course, and it's going to be comprehensive, and it's not a one and done thing. As things change in the economy, Travis will be adding new videos and new information. So it's a living course. Okay. So that's something. That's one way to make extra money. The other way, of course, is the Good Guides. And another thing I'm working on is some other affiliate programs that anyone can start and add to their website. The deal is with all of these, if you're a good promoter, if you're a good salesperson, you can make these work. If you're somebody who thinks you're just going to throw up a website and add a couple of links and make money, that's not going to happen. Those days are gone. You have a lot of competition out there, not the least of which is Google. So I'm just giving you ideas, okay? Do I make some money from this? Only if you do something. If you just sign up, or if you just, hold your hand up and say, I'm interested, I'm not going to make anything from it. And I shouldn't make anything from it. But here's the thing. If you sign up for Good Guides, regardless of what you do with it, I'm going to give you access to some tools that will help your business anyway. You're going to get some training, some templates. You're going to see how to promote your own business, and maybe some email templates, some videos and things like that that you can use, okay, regardless of what you do with Good Guides. So I encourage you, if you're interested, click on the link, sign up, and explore it a little bit, because I think times are coming. A time will come we're going to look back on today and say these are the good days, because I do think things are going to get extremely tough in the economy, in the real estate world, in retail, or whatever business you're in, and you're going to need these extra income sources. And I mean, many of you tell your clients to do this, so I don't see why you think that you're exempt from needing a little extra income. So other ideas, I'm open to them. If you have things that you're doing that are working for you and you like them and you want me to look at them and help you promote them, I certainly will do that. I mean, I'm totally open-minded, because you gotta have multiple sources of income, not just quote unquote mailbox money, but other ways to make a living when something happens. Okay, so that's all I'm doing this for, is those of you who get it, who understand the direction things are going, you will profit from this. And anything else that I can do for you, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help. I really, really believe in small business and small business owners and self-employed professionals. And I want to help us survive, because they're gunning for us. They're after us. They want to get rid of everything in the middle. And I don't want that to happen. So thanks a lot for listening. Again, read all the resources that are down below. Click on them, explore them, and be open-minded. Take care.